Hi, I'm Jazz, Product Specialist at greytHR. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how effortlessly you can collect payroll data from your employees and process payroll using greytHR. Let's get started. Your payroll journey begins by setting up the payroll month. Head over to the payroll overview page and pick the month for which you want to process payroll. While creating the month, you can also enable auto lock for IT declarations ahead of time, edit the lock date if needed, and even release IT declarations to employees who haven't submitted theirs yet. Once that's done, you've officially kicked off the payroll process for the month. Now that your payroll month is created, it's time to input salary data. To add salary for a newly joined employee, navigate to Payroll Input Salary. Search for the employee and click Add Salary. You don't need to fill in every component, just enter the CTC and greytHR automatically calculates the rest based on your configured salary structure. You can follow the same process to revise salaries for existing employees from the same screen. If you're handling a large team, greytHR's Excel import tool helps you update salary information in bulk. From the same section, you can also add one-time payments such as a performance bonus, or add one-time deductions like charitable contributions. And just like that, all your employees' salaries are in place. Now it's time to review all your payroll inputs before processing payroll. Start by verifying the LOP days. Head to Payroll Inputs LOP section. If you're using greytHR's leave and attendance modules, the LOP data gets linked on demand. Alternatively, you can manually enter it for each employee. Next, let's look at arrears. To calculate arrears, go to Arrears under Payroll Inputs. Click on Pay Arrears. Pick the effective date. Apply your employee filters. And you're done. If any employee has exited the organization, you'll need to complete their final settlement before payroll processing. Go to Final Settlement from Payroll Inputs. Select the employee. Fill in all the required details like resignation details, notice pay, workday, review leave encashment, and then you are done. And if something needs to be corrected later, just head to the Resettlement tab and make the updates. This is also a good time to review any loans or reimbursements that need to be accounted for. These can be accessed from the same payroll input section. And if you'd like a deeper look at how loan and reimbursement management works, we've got a detailed video on that too. Up next is one of the most critical steps, managing employee IT declarations. From the employee IT declaration page under Payroll Admin, you can release declarations with full control. Choose whether to display unreleased salary to employees and optionally trigger email notifications to keep them informed instantly. You can also lock declarations. Mark reviewed declarations as considered. Export reports of all considered employees. And yes, you can send automated nudges to those who haven't declared yet. This means fewer follow-ups for you and better compliance from day one. Once everything's reviewed and finalized, it's time to process payroll. From the payroll process page, if time permits, go through the checklist step by step. It covers key actions like locking the previous payroll, adding new employees, processing separations, confirmations, and more. It's a great way to double check everything before hitting process payroll. In a rush? No worries. Use the quick process option to skip the checklist and process instantly. You'll immediately get access to the quick salary statement, summarizing gross pay deductions and net pay. After processing the salary, you can customize and generate detailed payroll reports using payroll statement under Verify. You can also compare months using payroll differences, perfect for reconciling changes and pay components. These reports give you clear visibility and documentation for audits and approvals. Let's move on to the payouts. From bank transfer, click Create New Bank Transfer. Choose the transfer type and bank template. Select Employees and generate the file. You can download, edit, or delete transfer files as needed. Once payroll is paid out, go to Payroll Release under Admin to lock payroll for selected or all employees. Next, publish payslips and make them available on the ESS portal from Payroll Overview. And that's it. With greytHR, you can handle everything from payroll setup to payout, IT compliance, employee reimbursements, and ESS requests in one smooth flow. Thanks for watching.